Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Isha and Deepak. नाम तो सुना ही होगा। आज का ब्लॉग डेडिकेटेड है ईशा जी के बर्थडे के लिए। अब हमने कल इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी भी डाली थी कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं। हमने कुछ ऑप्शन दिए थे और पता नहीं,
सबको पता चल गया और पता नहीं कैसे पता है, बट सबको पता है कि हम लोग नोवा स्कोशिया आ रहे हैं।
Yes.
Which is like amazing. So you guys know us pretty well.
हम लोग रात को आए यहाँ पे, बहुत लेट नाइट थी तो हम एक मोटल में रुक गए, like just for the night.
You can see it behind us.
Behind us.
Very nice budget hotel. सस्ता है, टिकाऊ है और एयरपोर्ट के like 10 minutes away है।
10 minutes away था और like ऐसे रुकने के लिए परफेक्ट एकदम।
So अब हम लोग चेक आउट कर चुके हैं and let's go and explore, right?
बहुत गजब की चीजें सुनी है हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे हैं। Let's do it.
Let's go.
Our plan after leaving the motel was to drive to a town named Louisburg, which is also described as a jewel of all Canadian historic sites.
Team Isha's birthday!
Yeah!
And the even better part was that it was just a short 33 minutes drive. Before entering the town, we had to stop to take a mandatory picture outside the Sydney and Louisburg Railway Museum. It's time for next stop.
तो हम लोग को बहुत भूख लगी थी एंड हम लोग तब से रेस्टोरेंट्स ढूंढ रहे हैं क्योंकि कोविड था तो बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स अभी भी खुले नहीं हैं, बहुत फ्यू है और उसमें से सबसे बेस्ट हम लोगों को ये लगा
जो हमारे ऑप्शंस दे रहा है हमें एक्चुअली।
राइट एंड अनदर थिंग विच आई डू वांट टू टेल यू कि सिंस हमारे पास फीफी है तो हम लोग को बहुत पर्टिकुलर रहना पड़ता है कि हम पैडियोस ही ढूंढे एंड दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज पीपल आर वेरी नाइस ओवर हियर, दे हेल्प्ड अस। कनाडा, आई नो तुम बाहर कनाडा की तारीफ करने बैठ जाते हो, वो अच्छा है हमें पता है, बट स्पेसिफिकली दिस रेस्टोरेंट बिकॉज उन लोगों ने स्पेशली हमारे लिए पैडियो में एक टेबल लगा के रखा है। इनका पैडियो भी खुला नहीं है बट सिंस वी हैव अ डॉग एंड डॉग्स आर नॉट अलाउड इनसाइड।
मेरे लिए खास बात मैं अपनी बताता हूँ, लोकेशन।
Oh, the location so good. Like look at
खाना
this.
कुछ ना मिले ना मुझे चलेगा।
Beautiful, right?
लोकेशन कैसे?
So अब हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि हम लोग इकलौते हैं जो पूरे पैडियो में बैठे, so like you know, live life king size. आ जाओ, सेटअप दिखाते हैं।
The hotel staff went out of their way to make us feel special here. After all, it was my birthday.
He wants to sit actually with you.
Listen to these conversations to know how sweet these people are.
Oh, thank you. We just bought it, so it's about to undergo a massive transformation.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it is. We close on the 15th of October, and we start renovating immediately thereafter.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, dear.
Thank you
I've got to get you silverware
Yes,
and that.
please,
Sorry
thank
about that. Oh, how gorgeous. My brother had a dog and it had the overbite.
Yeah.
You know, no.
It's a Shih Tzu and
Oh,
he's
I have a
adorable.
Shih Tzu, yes. I have a Shih Tzu. She's 16.
Wow,
Yeah.
he is just 2.5.
Oh, and I don't want
He's a
any more.
baby.
I'm just because she's blind, getting deaf. But gorgeous, gorgeous.
Oh, thank you so much. So we have mimosas here, and then we have boozy coffee. I'm gonna try boozy coffee after this. How about that?
Try anything. It's your birthday, babe.
my birthday.
We are celebrating your birthday.
Fifi. My little one is Zoe.
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 Oh, what a beautiful name.
2 mimosas.
Thank you.
Colin and Justin Stiley.
Awesome.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks a
There,
lot.
Justin.
What's your little dog called?
Fifi.
Hello, Fifi. She's a little cutie. Does she need a little bowl of water?
Actually, it's a he. Yeah, that would be great
Yeah, I'll
if you
get you some
can.
water.
Yeah.
I'll get you some water, Fifi. Got you.
Thank you.
So nice people.
Yeah,
Oh my
they're
God, like
so nice.
I love the hospitality
They're
here.
so
Guys,
good.
I mean seriously, Canada
यहाँ-
में बहुत कम जगह है जहाँ हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बुरा हुआ है,
Actually,
but this is one
तुम्हारा
of
हुआ
the
है?
best ones.
तुम्हारा हुआ है?
I mean very less, like I think maybe 1 in a million types, but this one is like super nice. I mean, and especially when they're loving Fifi so much, मैं वैसे ही sold out हो जाती हूँ. Anyways,
मतलब मेरी बुराइयों पे और फीफी के
हाँ
प्यार
दोनों पे
पे।
मैं sold out हो जाती हूँ. But हाँ, cheers to my birthday.
Cheers to your birthday. Hold on. It's me who has to do that. Cheers to my
Cheers
gorgeous
to my-
wife.
Oh, thank you.
It's just a starting of your celebration.
Let the celebration begin. Fifi,
Look at that little tail go. There's a good little boy.
Oh my God,
He's happy to get his drink.
I know, right?
Fifi sure seems thirsty, just like his mom.
Want it?
Good boy. Hungry.
Even the food was on point here. This brunch spot surely won our heart, and there was nothing we didn't adore about this place.
So babe, क्या बोलना है?
I'm loving it.
The chatty spirit in me started having a conversation with the owner of this restaurant and lost track of time. P.S. We had to skip 2 spots from our itinerary for that day.
Oh my God,
And yes, I love making and following itineraries. Hey, let me correct myself. I love making Deepak follow my itinerary. After a long conversation, we left to get to the lighthouse, but stopped at this gorgeous spot and never left.
लिटरली में यहाँ का बनता है शॉट. क्या लोकेशन है ये. Fuck. Look at it यार. Gorgeous.
The weather was foggy and romantic, and we ended up sitting and spending time by the water for hours instead of going to a tourist spot as planned. But sometimes the unplanned things make the most memorable moments, don't you think? And who wouldn't want to get lost at such a spot? This is a very common feeling we had during the whole trip to Nova Scotia. You will see in this and the upcoming videos what we mean. Even Fifi was having a great time. Louisburg has a very rich history. Even though we didn't, but we highly recommend you go to the fortress and the lighthouse here. After spending half a day here, we were already late to check in at our next accommodation, which was a yurt. Ever heard about yurts? Yurts are circular tent-like structures made of felt and horsehair, which was traditionally being used by nomadic people for thousands of years. Well, it's very late now and we are tired. I will tell you more about it in the morning. Good night. A very good and fresh morning from the wilderness of the Cabo shores. As promised, let's talk more about yurts and this place. This place is called as Cabo Shores Wilderness Resort and it consists of these authentic Mongolian yurts. Our yurt was called as Orange Yurt and was the only pet-friendly yurt here. They also have a wooden sauna and kayaks for guest use. These yurts are secluded and surrounded by forest for privacy. The best part is you can bring your fur baby for an additional cost of $15 a night, and the only drawback is that you will have to share the washroom with the other guests.
Deepak? आओ ना इधर.
It's beautiful.
Change करके बीच पे चले?
मेरे ख्याल से काफी अच्छा दिख रहा है.
But before we go to the beach, we had to check out from the yurt.
Baba, you want to come too? आएगा आएगा. ईशा इसको ले जाओ.
ले जा.
ओ यार फिट हो गया एकदम.
Since we were staying here only for a night, we didn't bring a lot of luggage with us, which helped us with a quick checkout. After getting ready, we headed to the church pond, the same way headed to the beach too. Cabo Shores is located along the Indian Brooks and they have developed a wilderness trail on this property. This place offers many trails, but we took the Red Island Trail, which leads through dense forest to a beautiful views of the ocean.
Yep.
This resort also offers guided hike tours, which costs around $35 per person, but we didn't opt for it as we wanted to explore this wilderness on our own. Along the hike, we saw the domes, which are also another form of accommodation offered by this resort.
अरे यार ईशा, सेब सेब तोड़ने का. अबे यार फ्रेश लग रही है ये. Look at it. Fresh.
Good?
Very good.
Try करूँ?
कैसा लगा? It's tasty यार. Fresh. After long time I think मैंने कोई तोड़ के खाया ऐसे.
We both felt like kids, and I remembered my childhood when we used to eat fruits from trees like this. After walking a bit, we saw a huge apple orchard. Later, we got to know that this resort offers apple cider making packages in the fall when their orchard's apples ripens and sweeten. We kept walking and were about to reach the ocean. This incredible coastal vista provides the backdrop to the abundant sea life found in the North Atlantic. They say you can never know what may come up out of the blue. Whales, dolphins, seals, etc. I don't know about that, but I was awestruck with the beauty around me. The air was super fresh. Deepak was super excited to capture this beauty in our camera. But my fur baby decided to be a little too much adventurous. So I had to carry him to the ocean. That's dog mom life, I guess. But I don't mind it because I love my baby. It was windy but felt amazing. We found a little boat to sit, relax and play. I was so glad that we all were having a great time. That was the first time we took Fifi somewhere outdoors without a leash, and he behaved so well. We had plenty of fun. We played so much, enjoyed the breathtaking scenery, listened to the sound of the waves, and Deepak was very satisfied with the drone shots as well. In short, it was a very satisfying trip. But there is so much more beauty to share with you in the upcoming episodes of Nova Scotia. So stay tuned for that. But if you enjoyed Nova Scotia with us so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. Until next time, bye!